Unusual sports. Sports. Reading. Some games and sports are known all over the world. Others are known only locally. Let's read this magazine article about a few strange games played with even stranger rules. Playing games and sports is fun. Who doesn't enjoy dribbling in football, a rally in tennis, or a long stint at the cricket pitch? Badminton, volleyball, hockey, and basketball are some other games we all love to take part in. But there are many curious sports that are played in some parts of the world and that you may not have heard of. Some of them are quite bizarre. Let us find out about some uncommon, even comical, sports. Bossaball. If you mix together volleyball, football, gymnastics, and trampolines, and add music to it, what you will get is pure fun and excitement. Bossaball was invented by a Belgian, Philip Ekmans, in 2004. It is played on an inflatable court with a trampoline on both sides of the net. The objective in Bossaball, as in volleyball, is to ground the ball on the opponent's side of the court. The players, 3 to 5, a mix of men and women, can use any part of their body, head, feet, hands, to get the ball over the net and into their opponent's section. A trampoline is installed on each side for more bounce. Only one player is allowed on the trampoline, the others are around it. A maximum of 5 touches are allowed per team. Points are awarded based on where the ball falls and when it gets grounded. The first team to score 25 points wins the game. The referee of the game is a samba referee who is both the master of ceremony and DJ for the sport. The height of the net can be adjusted for different levels such as adults, beginners, or children. Chess boxing. We have played chess and we have heard of or seen boxing matches. But chess boxing. How can there be a combination of a cerebral game with a physical sport? Seems rather unlikely. Chess boxing is a hybrid board game invented by a Dutch performer Lacp in 2003. It is now a well-loved sport in Germany, Great Britain, India, and Russia. The sport requires both brain and brawn. Either beat your opponent in rounds of chess or of boxing. The match starts with a 4-minute round of chess, followed by a 3-minute round of boxing before returning to chessboard. It consists of 11 rounds, 6 rounds of chess and 5 rounds of boxing, with 1-minute intervals between rounds. The players wear headphones for the chess round, so that they don't hear advice from the audience, and gloves for the boxing round. The chess round is speed chess and players must make their moves quickly. To win the game, a player must checkmate his or her opponent in chess or knock out his or her opponent in boxing. Cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is a game designed for food lovers. You follow food, a 3-kilogram chunk of cheese, down a slope and win the food, the chunk, if you are the first to cross the finish line along with the cheese. The contest is held every year in May on Cooper's Hill in Gloucester, England. The cheese moves at a speed of around 48 kilometers with the participants hurtling after it at approximately the same speed and getting quite hurt in the bargain. A traditional sport in England, the origins of cheese rolling are not clearly known. The event is becoming more and more popular and contestants come from across the world to compete or just to watch. Acoustic. Acoustic was invented by an English author, A. Milne, for his son and has been described in the author's book The House at Pooh Corner, hence the name. It's a very simple game which is played on a bridge over a river. One person is chosen as a starter. Each participant selects a stick, drops it in the river, when the starter gives the signal, and rushes to the other side of the bridge. The player whose stick appears first on the other side of the bridge is the winner. The annual World Acoustic Championships have been held on the River Thames in the United Kingdom since 1984. Lacp is a traditional game of rugby played in the Indian state of Manipur, literally meaning coconut snatching. This is a game similar to rugby but is played with not a ball, but an oil-soaked coconut. The sport is played on a rectangular field. A box, which essentially acts as the goal region, is marked at one end of the field. To score a goal, a player must carry the coconut and go through the box and out of the field. There are 7 players in each team and even the players are well oiled to make it difficult for the opponents to catch hold of them. Each player tries to score goals by carrying the coconut, and other players try to tackle the coconut carrier and snatch the coconut away. The player that scores the most goals in the match receives an award. The sport is played barefoot, and players wear just a pair of shorts and no shirts.